Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101. Have you ever wondered how Red Lobster makes their cheddar cheese biscuits? If so, I've got you covered in this food video. The ingredients you're going to need is 2.5 cups of a baking mix. I use the original Biscuit baking mix, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ranch salad dressing mix, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 of a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Well, that's hard to say. For the topping of these biscuits, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of that ranch salad dressing mix again. I got to show you how simple and easy these are to get together. I'm adding that garlic powder here in with our baking mix with the pepper and the ranch salad dressing mix. With the fork, we're just going to combine this together. By the way, you want your oven preheating to 450 degrees at this time. We're going to add our shredded cheddar cheese. Now, I shred my own cheese, but if you want to purchase your shredded cheese, you may. And so we're going to blend this in with our baking mix, just like that. Next, we're going to make a little hole here in the center, and we're going to add our 1 cup of buttermilk. Yeah, I told you it's easy. Very, very simple, but yet scrumptious and delicious. Now we're going to pull our dry ingredients in with our wet ingredients until it's just barely mixed. But you don't want to see any of your dry ingredients. That's going to be the trick to keeping these biscuits lovely and moist and delicious. They'll be crunchy on the outside, yes, soft and delicious on the inside. Now that is absolutely perfect. I've got a large cookie sheet that I've lined with parchment paper. If you don't want to line your cookie sheet with parchment paper, go ahead and put a lightly coat of oil or butter here on your cookie sheet. With a regular spoon, I'm just going to go in here and dip a scoop of batter and put it right here onto our baking sheet. And here's our second one. You want to make them uniform in size because you want them all baking the same time. And I can smell that ranch dressing mix. These are off to that 450 degree preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 8 to 10 minutes or until they're golden around the edge. Use your timer and no peeking. While the biscuits are baking, we're going to melt our butter in the microwave. This took about 20 seconds. Stir in that garlic. Ooh, yum, that smells yummy. The ranch salad dressing mix. Make sure you get it all in there. You may need to tap it on your spoon. And those parsley flakes. And we're going to let these 4 ingredients sit here, and we're just going to let them get happy together until our biscuits have completely baked. Ooh, and look how lovely and pretty that is. It's going to be scrumptious. Just took my lovely baked cheese and garlic biscuits out of the oven, and if you could be in here and smell how fantastic this is. Ooh, yum. Now, back with that butter mixture we put together, you can use a spoon and drizzle it over the top just like this so that biscuit can absorb all those flavors. But I like using a pastry brush. I think it really gets it down into the nooks and cranny of your biscuits. They smell so yummy. These are winner every single time, especially during chilly, cold days. Very super warm. Gotta break into one of these. Show you what it's like on the inside. So nice. Yep, you'll see that steam coming off. They're super duper warm. Gotta give it a try. Oh, and I want to show you. Look how beautiful and golden they are on the bottom. Wow. So nice, warm, fresh. Delicious. These could be dangerous. Very addictive. That cheddar cheese, the ranch dressing mix, the garlic powder, those little flakes of parsley on the top, taste just like those Red Lobster cheddar cheese biscuits. You're in for a real treat, and you can say you made them yourself. Look at them. They're just fabulous. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.